Hi, Vieira with stockmarketlive.tv. I'm going to start by saying that in my country, people they don't have this continuous need of deceiving citizens of their own country in order to make a profit in the stock market. Today we are going to focus our analysis in this company Morgan Stanley and Freeport McMoran, and to reveal the truth about this investment firm, Morgan Stanley, and this American investor, Carl Icahn. Analysis based, obviously, on proven facts. So we are going to refer to the material existent on the website, stockmarketlive.tv, and I'm going to start with his article, Why to Sell Morgan Stanley Ahead of the Collapse. I've been bullish this investment firm for years, since $13.65 to be more precise. As a subscriber, you are aware of it, a long-term investment. And recently, I announced in the US that the markets, they were going to plunge, to crash. And the markets, they crashed. The news are all over the world. So this company, if you visit our website, and if you read this article, I repeat, based on proven facts, you'll find here links not only to the announcement of the stock crash, as well as to this investment firm upgrading, and we are going to click on this link, Freeport McMoran ahead of a meltdown. I'm going to repeat, upgrading Freeport McMoran, one of the best selling short opportunities ever in the US stock market, a troubled company, ahead of a stock meltdown. This happened in April 28. On this website, you have here Benzinga in the US. Shares, they were trading probably around $24, and they melted all the way down to $7.80. And only at $7.80, you find a unique call in the world based on facts. I recorded it live to subscribers, and we uploaded it to the web in the same day, calling Freeport McMoran to cover shares at $7.80. So this stock has never been a buying opportunity, instead one of the best selling short opportunities ever, all the way down in the past years to $7.80. The call you find here on the blog, and it is available on the web, on several websites, Vimeo, YouTube. You have here the video proving that this call was made at $7.80. So going back to the article, Why to Sell Morgan Stanley Shares Ahead of the Collapse, if you click on the link announcing a stock crash, I informed you that I didn't have one single long position in the US stock market since you were going to see a crash. And the reason to sell Morgan Stanley above $40 was not only related to this announcement, but also to fundamental strong reasons, being one of them a company that upgrades Freeport McMoran at the top ahead of a meltdown. Obviously, I was not going to maintain an investment in Morgan Stanley when I knew and I informed everyone that Freeport McMoran to be one of the best selling short opportunities in the markets. Last week, I saw more than 100 articles in the United States written about how great this fund manager Carl Icahn is by purchasing around 88 million shares of Freeport McMoran. So the questions that I make are the following. Has Carl Icahn ever made a profit in Freeport McMoran? And the answer is no, never. How credible is Carl Icahn? According to the most recent data, is losing about 10 billion US dollars. Well, according to the definition of some investors, it appears that to be losing 10 billion US dollars, it is a great performance. Who has actually called Freeport McMoran stock crash and a call to cover shares ahead of Carl Icahn news? Well, the only person in the world who did it and can prove it you are before it, you are saying, my name is Vieira, and you have the call on the website. Therefore, despite the fact that this investor bought 88 million shares of this American company, the fact is that the shares, they continued plunging. And by continuing plunging to a new all-time low, $7.80, shares then, they bounced 50% after the news. But those news, they were not related to Icahn. They were in fact related to my call to cover short positions at $7.80. So I find quite amusing that in the United States, these TV networks as CNBC, CNN, Benzinga, and many other websites, they continue deceiving investors, calling Icahn one of the best investors ever. Quite frankly, I don't understand. If Icahn was such a great investor, I would say probably that you would have called the crash in Freeport-McMoRan as well as in gold and oil stocks. Because when you look at his investments in Apple or in Transocean or in other companies that they are very well known, such as Chesapeake Energy Corporation, well, they all collapsed. So, quite frankly, again I repeat, I don't understand the concept of how great these investors are when the proven facts are that they are losing, according to the most recent data, 10 billion US dollars. And moreover, they don't make any claim whatsoever. So an investor that has been buying shares of Freeport-McMoRan between $16 and $9.58, it appears to me that those news that they came out, probably the investor, he was desperate and in need for shares to bounce. But instead it was amusing to read on the web that he has been quite clever to buy shares on weakness. Well, so if that is the case, why didn't he buy shares at $7.80? Why to buy or to start buying shares at $16? That is more than 1% above my price, $7.80. Therefore, there are no answers to these questions because these are in fact the questions that any serious investor has to be making. So all those articles that they correspond to paid marketing, they don't tell us anything. In my country, I repeat, we work together in order to benefit the society instead of believing or using scams or corruption or fraud to deceive investors. So I have to refer to the proven facts. This investment firm, Morgan Stanley, upgrading shares of Freeport-McMoRan ahead of a stock crash, a complete meltdown. And also I have to report this news with regards to Icahn purchasing shares of this very troubled American company, Freeport-McMoRan, without any benefit whatsoever, without any credibility, without any proof or claim, and without any profit whatsoever. Unlike these gamblers in the markets trying to figure out the next move, we do shape markets history, proving it. And the reason and the proof is, again, as it has been happening here for more than 2 decades, you find it here on this video, which is unique worldwide, the call to take profits for the first time ever in Freeport-McMoRan at $7.80, and only at that price to buy the stock if you wanted to. And if you did it according to my instructions, the next following 24 hours, shares, they jumped 50%. And I repeat, this didn't happen because of Icahn, it happened because of my call at $7.80. So this paid marketing on the web, on CNN, on CNBC, on Benzinga, does not tell us anything other than the material, proven fact, these calls by investment firms that they are supposed to hire and to use professionals upgrading stocks ahead of a meltdown. So if you wish to continue losing money in the markets, it is your problem, it is up to you. But the fact is that what is more interesting is that these companies, they report more customers than the previous year. So it's quite interesting. Therefore, we are going back to that slide that we use every single case study. Human stupidity, it is unlimited. And this fact that human stupidity is unlimited is our fuel that gives us unlimited profits and an unlimited, a unique competitive advantage in the markets.